Hey everyone, let's look at the OutdoorMaster Kelvin II ski helmet and the integrated wireless Bluetooth set. The tough outer shell and impact-absorbing foam provide premium protection for every run down the slopes. 14 vents work together to allow hot air to escape for optimal ventilation during your winter adventure. An adjustable dial ensures a perfect fit, while the removable plush liner keeps you very warm and cozy. This sweat-resistant Bluetooth headset offers 15 hours of playback and simple voice control for easy use. 3 glove-friendly buttons help you manage your music and take phone calls without stopping your fun. This complete kit is the perfect companion for anyone who wants to enjoy music and total safety. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.